मत कर माया को अहंकार। पर माया क्या है?
क्या माया एक एनर्जी है?
मैं हूँ विराट
और मैं हूँ प्रखर।
और आज हम बताएंगे
हमारे रिसर्च रिगार्डिंग
माया।
वो कायागार से काचीरे जैसे ओस मोती।
मेरे रेफरेंसेस है भागवत पुराण, उद्धव गीता, ब्रह्म संहिता एंड कठ उपनिषद। Maya is one of the major powers of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is Lord Krishna according to me. माया को जड़ भी कहा जाता है, जिसका मतलब होता है it does not have power of its own and works by gaining the power of the Supreme Lord.
मेरी रिसर्च मोस्टली अराउंड द अद्वैता स्कूल ऑफ हिंदुइज्म है, दैट इज द उपनिषद इटसेल्फ। आई ट्राइड टू कंपोज द एंटायर स्टडी ऑफ ऑल द उपनिषद्स इन वन वीडियो। नत संप्रदाय योगिस कहते हैं कि माया इज द कॉस्मिक काउंटर पार्ट ऑफ कुंडालिनी, द स्पाइरल एनर्जी इन आवर बॉडी। The energy which manifests as Maya in the universe, the same energy manifests as Kundalini in the body. फिर भी, what exactly is Maya? कबीर कहते हैं कि माया एंड माइंड सेम है। माया resides in mind, and the entire world is confused. To whom shall I go and explain it? Last line बहुत important है। To whom shall I go and explain it? All are engaged in great debates. Is Maya a matter, an energy? Can it be destroyed? That itself represents the essence of Maya.
माया को इल्यूजनरी एनर्जी भी कहा जाता है, बट वो सिर्फ इतने से ही रिस्ट्रिक्टेड नहीं होती. इट फर्दर हैज 3 क्वालिटीज, नेमली सत्व, तमो एंड रजोगुणास. So a person who walks on path of Gyan or self-realization, like Sadhguru and Osho, can only overcome the 2 qualities of Maya, that is Tamo and Rajogunas. But एक माया रह जाती है जिसको सत्व या विद्या माया भी कहते हैं. This is not overcome and the experience of self-realization is full of pleasure, due to which even the Gyanis misdeclare it as the highest state of enlightenment and claim that nothing is beyond the realization of the self. But ये मेरे हिसाब से गलत है एंड इसका प्रूफ हम उद्धव गीता में देख सकते हैं, जहाँ पर श्री कृष्ण उद्धव से कहते हैं that one can cross the final state of enlightenment only by walking on the path of bhakti, जिसे भक्ति मार्ग भी कहते हैं, and receive this state of premanand of Lord Krishna by completely surrendering unto him.
Maya means that which is not and literally translates to illusion. Illusion दो टाइप के रह सकते हैं, एक तो द बिलीफ इन द नॉन एग्जिस्टेंट एंड द नॉन बिलीफ इन द एग्जिस्टेंट. एंड वेयर डज द इल्यूजन रिसाइड? जब आप मिराज एक्सपीरियंस करते हो तब आप पानी को नकली नहीं कहते हो, but your thoughts existing regarding water as illusion. Maya is mind. Maya is past and future. Past and future are illusions. They only exist in mind. Reality is now. Spontaneity is meditation. Relaxation is meditation. The process of detachment is meditation. जब भी अटैचमेंट या डिटैचमेंट की बात आती है हम सोचते हैं कि स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज अबाउट संन्यास. But spirituality is not renunciation. It is not going to the forest and sitting there doing nothing. What is the point of going to the forest if you are still thinking about her and your PlayStation? Maya resides in your mind. Running from the society only indicates the fear of distraction.
Now you might wonder how a bhakt surpasses this sattva maya, which even the Gyanis who claim themselves to be enlightened cannot overcome. So a devotee surpasses Sattva Maya with the help of Swarup Shakti, which is the internal power of Lord Krishna. Lord Brahma, who is the highest in all Gyanis, वो ब्रह्म संहिता में कहते हैं that a Gyani who has attained even the state of Samadhi also cannot overcome Maya, और उसका बाद में downfall हो जाता है, and after reaching the self-realization, he or she has to surrender to the Supreme Lord for attaining this highest state of Anand. Further, Lord Brahma states, Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchitananda Vigraha Anadir Adir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. जिसका मतलब है कि कृष्ण इज द सुप्रीम पर्सनैलिटी एंड ही इज द कॉज ऑफ ऑल कॉजेस. So without offering the devotional service to him, one cannot surpass Maya. एक और रेफरेंस है कठ उपनिषद का, जहाँ पर वो स्टेट करती है, By the grace of that which the seekers seek, the self alone reveals its own glory.
इफ यू डाइव इन ट्रूली, आपको पता चलेगा कि आप किसी के फिजिकल एग्जिस्टेंस से अफेक्टेड नहीं हो, उसके मेंटल एग्जिस्टेंस से हो. What do you identify yourself with? Your home, your race, your gatherings, your assets. That is Maya. Materials are not Maya. Your identification and your association with it is Maya. Your confidence and faith rest on the achievements and materials you have gathered. Spirituality is asking a simple question. What are you with and without all your possessions and your relationships that you associate yourself with? Would your confidence be the same? That personality is the real you. Other was deception. कुछ लोग renunciation या संन्यास से भी जान सकते हैं, but you can know it without going to the forest, as Osho suggests. मन ही माया है.
तो जो आदमी मन को शुद्ध करने में लगेगा वो भगोड़ा हो ही जाने वाला है. वो छिपेगा जंगल में, पहाड़ पर, गुफाओं में. जिसने हीरों को पा लिया वो कोई कंकड़ पत्थर भी नहीं.
अगर हमें माया के बारे में और जानना है, and if we dive deeper, then there are two types of Maya. One is Swarupavarika Maya and the other is Gunavarika Maya. So पहली जो कि है स्वरूपवरिका माया, वो हमारे रियल सेल्फ को भुला देती है. मतलब we consider ourselves as a body and forget that we are a soul. The latter, which is the Gunavarika Maya, is energized with the Lord's personal power, due to which even Gyanis cannot overcome this Gunavarika Maya, as it has energy equal to that of Lord's. So, the only one who can surpass Gunavarika Maya is the one to whom Lord gives his power, and the one who completely surrenders to the Supreme Lord with 100% detachment in the world, gains this Swarup Shakti and surpasses all types of Maya and attains to God.
Maya is disconnection from the world, an illusion of everything and more and more and more. It is an illusion जो sadness लाता है absence में और कोई joy भी नहीं लाता presence में. And the process of connection is meditation. Spirituality is not isolating oneself. It is feeling oneself with colors. One can be lonely in crowd, that is Maya. It is not asking you to destroy emotions, but asking you to explore your emotions completely. Maya is not your enemy. It is simply nothing. All that is me, you, and what you consider God. And all that is not is Maya. Ego and fear is nothing. It is emptiness and darkness. What exists is only light. Maya is an illusion that darkness exists. You cannot fight the darkness. You can only cast the light. And that casting of the light is enlightenment.